So I'm predicting right now that interest rates are going to drop quicker than people think, in the 4s to 5%. We're already in the 5% on FHA and VA. I think we'll be in the 4s on those. Conventional is right at 6 1/8. Remember, guys, I'm wholesale, so there are lenders and stuff that are a half a point higher than me. So my rates are probably the lowest they are out there, just because wholesale is buying the market. They're not making much money. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of The Brief with your one and only Kenny Simpson. This week, I want to jump into rates. Rates are remaining flat. Yes, they came down weeks ago. We're still getting the benefit of that. There hasn't been much movement on that. The consumer's out shopping, spending. We'll see what that really means as far as companies making money, and they really buy much more, and are they going to be able to afford it, and what that looks like January coming with all the new credit card debt and everything like that, right? Also want to talk about inventory. Inventory's lower, new sales, listings, pendings, all that stuff. It's down. Obviously, this time of the year, that's normal. And last but not least, let's talk about is pre-qualifications. Are you pre-qualified? Are your buyers pre-qualified, right? Are they ready? Are they going to file their tax returns? Are they going to make enough money? Are they going to buy that investment property? Do they have enough cash? Get your stuff in order. Get prepared. Get with a professional. Make sure you're ready, because there are going to be deals. If rates drop, people are going to move off the sidelines and jump in. Until next week, have a great week. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.